Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna come and go ahead and just go through some, like, I don't know, if you have BoxyCharm, you've kind of heard about the pop-up store or the add-ons where you can get products like insanely inexpensive, which I personally think if you're a BoxyCharm member or you have a BoxyCharm subscription, you gotta get on these pop-up stores because they're so good. So if you want to see what products I got from the last pop-up store, then keep on watching. Okay, so there we go, there. I was so excited because when I went on the site and I saw the prices, I was like, that cannot be real. Like, it cannot be real. Like, it was insane. Let me get my phone. Let me see if I can get the order. So let me see. BoxyCharm. I'm just like searching for my order, and maybe just so we can go through like a couple of the prices. So it's on here, but it doesn't really have the actual order. Okay, it's fine. A couple of the products I know the prices, so we just go ahead and talk about those. But like, you kind of need to check. So let's go ahead. Let's just jump into this. Yeah, I placed the order. Oh, actually, I lied. I do have it. So I don't have what prices it was before, but I do have the prices after. But I know they were significantly cheaper, like at least 65%. So they were 65% or more off the original price. So I mean, that's insane. Like, so if you want to get any of those things, like, that's the time to get it. So this is my box that I got. See, I got like all these goodies. So I have my box. Let me make sure I'm not showing my address. And let's just go ahead and go through the products. So it came in this box, and I'll be looking at my phone periodically, so we just kind of have an idea, on how much I pay for everything. Okay, so for this right here, this is Farmacy. I got this in a previous BoxyCharm and I loved it. Like, this was so good, like so good. I'm almost done with the one I got in my BoxyCharm. So this one is Cheer Up from Farmacy, and I paid $6. This for sure, I know, is at Sephora right now for $45. And I paid $6 for this. $6. Like, that's crazy, right? Okay, so the next product on here was I'm not sure how much this is, but I know, again, I paid like insane cheap for this. So this is the Glam Smile Kit from Beauty Co, and I paid $9 for this. $9. I think this was $89. I'm pretty sure this was $89 and I paid $9 for it. The only issue is you have to be a charmer for you to be able to buy this product. But man, like, it's so worth it. Like, so worth it. The next item I have on here is the Alamar cosmetic brushes. These I know are $18 and I pay $3 for it. So I got two sets because I love these brushes. The blended brush in there is like so good. So $6, $36, I saved $30 because each of them is $18. I mean, like, I feel like this is the time for you to really like stock up on stuff, especially if it's something that you've got in a previous box and for sure, like, hey, I love this, get it. Like, why not get it? Oh, you like my t-shirt? I'm all Bob Marley up. Oh, I love this t-shirt. Okay, next thing I got on here is this Luxie brush set. Again, I know this brush set is either $30 or $40 and I pay $6 for it. $6. I got another brush set. This brush set, I'm actually not sure what is the price for it. It's a Lavish brush set, and I also pay, let me see, I also pay $6. I mean, okay. And the next thing I got was this palette right here. This is from, is the Queen Lies in All of Us, Eloise. The Queen palette from Eloise is 20 pigments, in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pro, 4 metallics, and 1 dual chrome topper. And I actually got 2 of these. I got one in like a box that I bought from like a previous month or whatever. So I got this, and how much did I pay for this? $6. $6 for this palette. So now I have 2, so I'm gonna, gift one to my sister. And she looks like so. This is so pretty. That blue though right here, Sovereign, I cannot wait to just do a look with this. But this is so pretty, so pretty. $6. And that's the second one. So I got 2 of these. That was $6. Like, why? Like, well, the other one actually I got in like a box, and yeah. Okay, so the next item I have on here is the OPV Born to Shine, I think. Yes, Born to Shine blush palette, and I paid $9 for this. And the blushes in here is like heaven. I cannot wait to use the blushes in here because they're so pretty. Like, they're so pretty. Look at this. Look at this shades. Like this shade right here is like calling my name. Like, I like this. I also like this shade. I like all the shades in here. They look like to have a little bit of shimmer on them, but it's nothing like crazy. Like this peachy shade. I'm so excited to use this. I'm so excited. Okay, let me stop dancing. Okay, the next item I have on here is another eyeshadow palette, and then this one is from Hank and Henry, and I pay $6. $6 for this, and this is so pretty. Like, it is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Like, it is so pretty. There's a mirror in this. I'm trying, like, because I have a mess going on here. Oh, like this shade right here, this purple, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to do a look with that purple. And the shades are so like ride or die, day, like everyday, bestie, Las Hermanas, Endgame, and then Sissy. That's what I call my sisters. And then I got you, Sissy. Like that kind of way. And then Thick as Blood, and then Baby. I'm so excited to try that purple. That's like black in the outer V, and then purple up. I already have a look in my head that I'm gonna use this for. I'm excited about that. And then I got like another BoxyCharm. Like, it was just like a previous month, and it's the BoxyCharm Complete Face, and it was like $24 or $24.99. And in there I got a couple products. So I got this, a cheek duo, and basically it's like for the cheeks, and it's a trio. I don't know why I said duo. I don't know if this bronzer bronze me, but I kind of like the highlighter, and I love the blush right here. I like peachy blushes, so I'm excited to try this. So this came in that box, the other palette, the one that I said I got 2 palettes in there. It also came with a bold LashBOSS from L'Oreal, and then this is a mascara. I'm not gonna like mess with the mascara because I'm also gonna send this to my sister, because I'm using like 4 mascaras at a time, and I try not to use too many mascaras because it's so wasteful, you know? It's so wasteful. And in that same box, because I got, you know, like 1, 2, 3, and I also got this right here, which is the Marc Jacobs. It's just a lip gloss. I think like I have this lip gloss already, Electric Lights. Yeah, if I don't have it, if I already have it, I might just give this to my daughter because I think I already have that shade. And so there was like 4 items. Yeah, the trio, the mascara, the lip gloss, and the palettes. And then the next thing I got from here is a lash primer that was in that box that was $25. And I got this Lash from Milk Cosmetics, and this is just a Kush lash primer. I'm excited to try this actually. It's just white, you know. You prime the lashes, and I did all the prime of the lashes that, you know, you can get. This stuff is like so steady and so like huge.
I must be dreaming. It couldn't be this easy.
That's what she said. Yeah, it's just white. And then you use that to, you know, prime the lid. So, prime the lid, prime the lashes. So there was one other thing in there that I already used it. It was actually some gold-plated brass studs. And I paid $18 for those, and those were $85. So I knew those. $18 and they were $85. Like such a steal. And the other thing is this Bum cream. Like this smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this, you know, like so good. And I paid $3 for it. This is like the sample size. I think this is $18 and I paid $3 for it. And then the smell, like the smell is so good. Did I pay $3? Let's see. Yeah, I did pay $3 for it. The other thing on here is this brush set right here from Luxie. I think this is like $30 or $40 as well, and I end up like literally paying $6. Yeah, most of the things were like $6, either $3 or $6. So it comes with these brushes right here. So it comes with 5 brushes in this little pouch, which I think is so cute, so cute. And this was $6. I want to make sure I'm like, you know, $6. Yep, it's the Wanderlust Periwinkle set, and that was $6. Like, you can't go wrong with this. The other item I have on here is, let me make sure. Yeah, the other item I have on here is this. I actually have never tried this before. This is from Hourglass. It's the Arch Micro Sculpting Pencil, and this shade is in Soft Brunette. I don't know if this shade is gonna match me though, so that might be the only issue. But that's another thing I paid like literally like nothing for. I paid $6 for it. I think this is like in the 20s, either like $29 or $30 maybe. And it looks like so. Yeah, I feel like this shade might be a little bit light. Yeah, it might be too light for me. See, but I can use it to do like the front of my brows, like right here, and then use like a darker shade. But I'm super excited to try this. But you know, even if it doesn't even work, it was like $6. Like, it's not a big deal. No, I'm thirsty. Okay, so that's it. That's all the products I picked up in the, what do you call that? In the pop-up. They call it the pop-up store, and they're just like crazy. Sometimes they have add-ons where you can add like items onto your box, but this one is like, it was just specifically like a pop-up store, and you can just go crazy. I try not to go too crazy when they were like, when they had the pop-up store going on, because I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna spend way too much money on that side. So I made sure I just pick up a few things that I thought I was really gonna like, and then I got all the side real quick. But they had all the stuff like hair dryers, hair straighteners, hair curlers. So if those are the things, like, or you're interested in those things, I would keep an eye open for the next time they have the pop-up store, because you're gonna get some some gems on there. So I would like definitely just keep it. Okay, so those were all the items I got. I'm just making sure I put all the stuff. Those were all the items that I got, and so my total was $105.99 plus tax, so it was like $8.48. And yeah, tax was $8.48, so my total was $114.47. That's how much I paid for all these items. I mean, for sure, this alone was $45, and then the teeth whitening was $89. Like literally, like right there. So for 2 items, I paid like way, the brushes, like these were $18 each, or full price at $18, that's $36. So it was a steal. Like, it was a steal of a deal. So if you want to if you're a Boxy charmer, or if you have a subscription, whatever you want to call it, I recommend just kind of waiting to see when they have the all the pop-up store, and when they have add-ons. So to make the $25 or the $50 or whatever you're paying like worth it, that's what I'm saying. Because sometimes when you pay the $25, you get products that you're like, I'm not really feeling this. So I feel like those times, like, it's time like you get a good product. So that's just my opinion. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, join the family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.